Is your laptop slow and lagging? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you 5 simple WIN+R commands to boost your speed instantly. Clear temporary files. Press WIN+R, type temp, and hit enter. Select all files and delete them. These are junk files slowing down your system. Remove prefetch files. Press WIN+R, type prefetch, and hit enter. These files help apps load faster but can clog your system over time. Delete them for a speed boost. Run disk cleanup. Press WIN+R, type clean_mgr, and choose your main drive. Check all options and click OK to free up space and make Windows run smoother. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Press WIN+R, type msconfig, go to the Startup tab, and disable programs you don't need. This helps your laptop start up faster. Disable unnecessary services. Press WIN+R, type services.msc, and look for services like Windows Search or sysmain. Right-click and set them to disabled to free up RAM and CPU. That's it. Use these 5 WIN+R tricks to keep your laptop running fast and smooth. Like and subscribe for more tech tips.